Property managers are still spending hours every week on tasks that AI can handle in seconds. I'm not talking about some future version of AI. I'm talking about what's available right now in 2026. Here are the top 5 manual property management tasks that AI is replacing completely and what your day actually looks like when they're off your plate. Number 1 is chasing late rent. Every month, property managers manually check who's paid, who hasn't, and start sending reminders one by one. At 20 or 30 units, that can eat up an hour or more of your morning, and if you miss it, nobody gets reminded, nothing happens. AI replaces this entirely. In a system called MagicDoor, the moment rent is overdue, the system already knows. It sends a reminder automatically. If they still don't pay, it escalates. Late fees apply on their own based on your predetermined rules, and the entire cycle runs with zero input from you. You don't have to check who paid, you don't have to write a reminder, and you don't have to calculate any fees. It's already done. Number 2 is responding to tenant messages. The average property manager spends hours every week answering the same questions. What's my balance? When does my lease end? Who do I call? Writing and rewriting the same responses over and over. AI replaces this. And this is where MagicDoor does something that no other AI platform does. When a tenant sends a message, they just text. There's no app, no portal login. They literally just send a text from their phone like they're texting a friend. MagicDoor also doesn't just run a generic chatbot. It already knows their lease. It knows the context, their history, their payments. It knows their unit specifically. So it's able to respond with context specifically automatically without you ever opening the thread. And if a tenant messages in another language like Spanish, MagicDoor can detect it and respond in their language via text. So you see the conversation in English, they see it in their language, and the whole thing is completely seamless, no copy pasting, no ChatGPT, it's automated. Number 3 is coordinating maintenance. Maintenance coordination is the biggest time drain in property management. A tenant reports an issue, you call the vendor doesn't pick up, you text the tenant replies hours later, you schedule something, vendor shows up, half the time the issue could have been resolved itself. You were the middleman in a 3-way conversation that didn't need you. So here's how AI handles it inside MagicDoor. A tenant texts the request, MagicDoor immediately starts troubleshooting with them with AI runbooks. These are predetermined scripts. It asks the right questions, it talks them through basic steps, and over 60% of the time, the issue is resolved right there. No vendor, no cost, no scheduling. But obviously some things do need escalated. So if it's not resolved, MagicDoor escalates it automatically, assigning it to the correct vendor and coordinating the appointment between the vendor and the tenant, keeping both sides updated. And when the job is done, the only thing you're doing is approving the vendor bill. Number 4 is lease renewals and reminders. Most landlords managing lease renewals manually check a spreadsheet, have a tab somewhere, or maybe they're using a software, but it doesn't actually do it automatically for them. You hope you catch it before the lease goes month to month or just ends. And the cost of missing a renewal window isn't just administrative, it's real money. AI tracks every lease expiration date across your portfolio, and renewal reminders go out to tenants automatically on schedule. And not just reminders, but the full lease renewal. You have predetermined rules. The AI sends out multiple lease offers that apply with these rules. For instance, you could say if the tenant never missed a rent payment, then we're going to increase the rent by just 5%. But if they missed 3 or more, it's going to increase 10%. Also have an option for 6-month lease option, 12-month lease option, and so on. The AI will go through those predetermined rules, send out multiple offers to the tenant. The tenant can then accept, and it'll send over a signing document, all without you getting involved. The lease renewal cycle moves forward without you. Number 5 is financial reporting. End of the month reconciliation used to mean exporting transactions, pasting them into a spreadsheet, manually categorizing every line item, and trying to produce something accurate enough to actually trust. Or you're using a system like QuickBooks that's not actually built for property management, having to do workarounds costing you hours of work every month. But because MagicDoor handles rent collection, maintenance costs, and lease data in one connected platform, your financial records update automatically, in real time, broken down by unit, ready to pull the moment you need them for a tax filing, refinance, or just to know where you stand. No manual export, no reconciliation. So there's 5 tasks. rent collection, tenant communication, maintenance coordination, lease renewals, and financial reporting. Every single one of them running automatically, connected, and handled without you having to be the middleman. And that's what MagicDoor does. It may not replace you as a property manager, but it does make you more efficient and save you time. And in turn, that saves you money and allows you to grow your portfolio. So, how much does it cost? Well, MagicDoor is actually free for your first 9 units, so you can go give it a try right now. The link is in the description. After that, it's just $2.50 per unit per month, and this includes everything we just talked about and more. There's no AI add-on fees, no hidden fees. This is just what you pay. So if you're still doing any of these tasks manually, there's no reason to be. Click the link in the description and get started today.